Yan guys, nakikita niyo yan, magluluto si mother ng pudding, kasaba pudding. Ang ingredients niya ay kinikid na parang grated na kasaba na may ubi flavor na condensed milk. May, ayan na, i-steam na niya. Mayroong vanilla, may itlog, may butter, and sugar. So, i-steam niya yan. Magiging kasaba pudding na yan later on. So, abangan natin ang kanyang pudding. Meron siyang 5 platter na i-steam. So, looks yummy guys. Tingnan nyo. And, additional, meron pang panibagong recipe si Mahal, which is, buksan ko ha. Meron siyang buong manok na pinatapingan niya ng mushroom, wild mushroom. So guys, yan, sariling recipe niya. So, whoever wants the papisik or pinaupong manok with toppings ng wild mushroom sa taas, which is sarili niyang recipe guys, look at that. So, very rare recipe, and yan na yung steam pudding ni mommy. At kumukulo-kulo na, and then yan si Mahal walang damit at sobrang init, and yan si mother waiting for her pudding.